The reason to be chosen, why Matsuura? We can look at a whole host of applications, whether it be subtractive CNC or additive manufacturing on our 3D printers. We can look at your application, we can give you a very good, quick response on how we can automate and give you a good return on investment, whether you're buying a Matsuura, a Muratech, a HP or a Bose 3D printer. You know, the reason to be chosen is that we look where other people don't look and give you something different to make sure that what we supply gives you a very, very good return on investment very quickly, and unmanned automation, which, you know, we've been doing for a long time now, but, you know, myself, my sales team and all our technical people now have been doing it for the best part of 25 years. That's the reason to be chosen.